Good morning. Welcome to another episode ng Magkano Ba Ang Grocery natin dito sa Vancouver.
And we got some strawberries today and we got some ice cream. There's a
Pero
cabbage,
kuha na tayo ng
carrot.
yan, kuha na tayo ng carrot. Kanong carrot? Do we know the price? Let's get some plastic. Carrot and then green onion. Mas cheaper ba to? $7?
Onion.
And onion?
Yeah, and the green onion.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. Yeah, next natin is green onion.
Yeah, let's look for green onion.
Medyo matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-vlog. Babawi naman tayo ng kaunti. Kasi medyo, syempre, kailangan din natin ng konting pahinga. So, dumaan ang Canada Day. Dumaan yung mga pahinga natin no, na bakasyon. Kaya sinulitan natin yung oras natin para makarecover, makabawi kahit papaano. Kuha pala tayo dito ng
There's some over
salad
there.
bag, $3.99. Medyo umayos-ayos na yung panahon dito sa Vancouver. Mataas na yung sikat ng araw. Last week nga, nakapag-bike tayo. Kasama ko si Turns TV, no? Shoutout sa'yo, Turns. Sinusulit-sulit din kasi natin yung araw at saka yung panahon. So, any activity na pwede natin magawa, gagawin natin ngayong maganda na sikat ng araw. Ayan, si Clark dyan na siya umuupo kasi hindi na siya kasya dito. Ay nako, lumalaki na talaga ang bunso. Kukuha ba tayo ng tinapa? Oh, you want salmon? Ayaw tinapa? Daing.
Marami, meron pang mga isda.
Okay. Oh, lawn chair, 55, limit 4. Kami mga lawn chairs namin, second hand lang, marketplace. Meat. Ano kailangan mo sa meat?
Round 4.
Yung steak na kinuha natin. Kung meron. Ano ba yun?
Salmon.
Tropical.
Yeah, salmon. Nga pala, sila kuya and family, they're arriving here in the next 2 weeks. Parang yun yung regalo sa kanya ng wife niya for the birthday celebration niya. Okay, don't touch it, Clark. Ayan, hanap tayo ng mga naka-sale na meat. Maganda yung nakuha natin last time eh. Na steak, fast fry. Walang naka-sale ngayon. Too bad there's no sale.
There's some steak over there.
What is this? Brisket. No, that's brisket.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, different cut.
Or the hot dogs. If you want hot dogs, Dad.
Yeah, sure.
Hot dogs, Dad.
Hot dogs there. 15 versus 13.
Sausage, big sausage.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get the hot dog here.
You get the big sausage.
No, this is the hot dog. You don't eat that.
You get some hot dogs in it.
Yeah, there. Mommy's gonna get.
Is it the all
Yeah.
Does it say?
Shrinkflation. $6 na yung isang lapad na ganyan. Actually, yung regular price ng dati namin binibili, $9. Kung talagang gusto mo, bayad ka talaga ng mas mataas na presyo. Yung last na binili naming burger, meron pang natira. Kasi nga si Calvin, umalis siya. Nagpunta siya sa Whistler for 4 days. Batang yan eh. Iba na talaga pag teenagers kung saan sana nagpupunta. Huge, I guess, adjustment para sa aming mga parents. Na minsan pag nasa bahay tayo, nakikita mo hindi na kayo kumpleto kasi may mga kanya-kanya ng gala. Ito, meron silang mga clear out oh. Dinner starter kit. May flavor ba to? Wala. Wala. This is all regular. Jello.
Cheeser.
Huh?
Cheese.
Cheese. That's cheese.
You got the cheeser.
Uh-huh.
And
It's called triple cheddar. Ayan. Triple cheddar. Yung yogurt ba nandun pa?
yogurt.
Ubus na?
No.
Do we need to get?
This one. The mayonnaise.
Ito si Yoshi oh.
Uy, ano to? Look at this. Cinnamon? Wow.
In the bakery.
Parang may galit sila sa paglalagay ng cream cheese. Yeah?
We're in the bakery.
Yes, we are in the bakery section. In fairness, kung makikita nyo, walang masyadong tao, no? Medyo nakakapanibago on a weekend. Usually, ganitong oras, which is close to 12 noon, madaming tao dito. Minsan sa mga ganitong panahon, may isip mo, by the time na naging teenager na si Clark, wala na kaming kasama mag-grocery, kaming dalawa na lang ni Joyce. Parang ano no, hindi oras ng sweldo ng majority ng mga tao. Kasi wala nag-grocery, Sabado. Si Clark nahihilig sa panonood sa YouTube ng mga aso, yung mga pets ng mga creators. Yun ang kanyang nahihiligang content niya na panoorin. Hindi na yung mga animated cartoons, but mga real life pets. Ang lakas mag-imbita. Babe, meron ka magganto sa bahay?
Ano yan?
Yung...
Turkey?
Oo. Gamitin ko sa aquarium eh. Hindi ko nga lang nakita, wala nakalagay na price eh. Panglagay ito ng what do you call this? Fertilizer sa mga halaman para mabuga mo directly.
I can have lunch.
We're gonna have lunch after this. We're gonna buy ulam from tindahan. Our go-to place. Wala natang TNT eh. TNT jasmine rice.
Ay, ito yun. TNT to, oh. Thai jasmine
Ah.
rice.
21. Well,
Not manual.
botan is cheaper. 19.99.
The waffle stick.
Waffle stick?
Yeah.
Wala na nagtuturo. You want this?
Ube ata yan eh.
Yeah.
It's not chocolate.
It's ube.
Where's the chocolate?
You want the chocolate? This.
Oh,
Okay. Put it here.
waffle. Okay, we got all of the ingredients. Got waffles, Tums, cheese, triple T, geezer, and everything we got it.
Are you gonna cook? What are you gonna do with those ingredients?
To cook them to make lunch.
Oh, to cook and make lunch.
Yeah, you have to cook and make lunch, Dad.
Okay,
Okay.
let's do it.
Okay, are we all done with our ingredients now?
Not yet. Almost.
Kinder Egg. 354 World Cup.
Yeah. But you're done with that. That's no longer your favorite. Ito ang taga-confirm. Nakukunin namin ng isang bagay. Ito, may umaabot to. Nahagip. Tissue paper, kitchen towel. Okay, so we're good. $25.99. So far, yan ang nabili natin. No? Meat, onion, shrimp, and then may rice tayo sa ilalim.
And chocolate sticks.
And then chocolate sticks. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea, more or less, no, sa mga hula nyo kung ano ba yung, or magkano ba yung total ng grocery natin for this week. Okay, we're all set. Time to pay.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love the city of